Hi everyone, I'm going to try to do a quick video for you just to give you a brief overview and not spend too much time of this Corprit, C-O-R-P-R-I-T wireless hidden spy camera that I got on Amazon. It's pretty cool, pretty easy to use, comes with everything you need. It came with the camera, which is plugged in to save time, and the 16 gigabyte mini SD card, which is inside the camera so it can record. It came with the USB cable, which I have tons of those. It came with a driver card, which I have no use for, but you might need it. Came with a fake USB drive so that you can make it look like it's actually being used. Came with your instruction manual, which is pretty tiny. Had a hard time reading it. Didn't even read it all. It also has the QR code that you can scan for OSI or Android, which I have Android, Samsung S7, Galaxy S7. Also the opportunity for you to do a review if you want and get a free 32 gigabyte SD card if you want to do that. Comes in a nice small box, easy to wrap as a gift. I've got, like I said, I've got the phone or the camera plugged in and my phone is hooked up to it. Oh yeah, one more thing that doesn't come with, but I got disconnected and once from the Wi-Fi couldn't get it redone, so you may have to reset your camera. There's a little pinhole just above the LED light that you just hold that in there until it goes out and it'll reset it, and then I had no problem. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but there's my arm waving. I think you can see that. We're on there live now. And let's see if I can do this real quick. It says I'm online. Whoops, skip that. I don't want to change the password yet. Go back. Oh, here's where you can go to your settings. You can add cameras up here. Click that. You can delete the camera, or you can go to your settings for this one. You can set the alarm, which you'll hear beeping. I've got it set for motion. I got it for alarm every 30 seconds, which is probably too much. You can always change it. You have your Wi-Fi configuration. You have your SD recording configuration, which I have it set to record every 30 seconds, and it does record sound, and it is on loop. Whoops. It is on loop recording. Just trying to show you these real quick. I've already set the time. Miscellaneous settings. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a cool one. This one, somebody complained about the blue LED light being on all the time. Well, you can turn it off if you want, but I'm going to leave it on so you can see it. Oh, there's also you can also make it flicker if you want. I'm not sure why, but I'm just going to leave it on. Okay. I just wanted to point that out because somebody gave it a 1 star just because of that. Change your password, which I don't want to do. You can reboot. Okay. Now, we're going to go back to the live recording, and I'm going to take you over there so that you can see the actual camera itself. And I have a cat who usually likes to be in the video. She's useless right now. I could use her to help you see it. But you can see me walking over here. And I don't know if you probably didn't see me walking over here, but I'm over here. I'm using my laptop. This is the actual camera. That's the LED light that somebody said they didn't like, which you can turn out. There's your USB port. And I'm going me set it down here, and hopefully you can get a good look, or a fairly good look, hopefully, as I move around the living room. Maybe get my cat to help out. Hey, kitty. Come on, Starkey. I know. Oh, I know. I know you're just cranky, cranky, cranky. Yeah, cranky girl. Anyway, I hope this helps. You can set it up to take pictures, take video recording. Anyway, it works well. The picture's great. The sound is good. Pretty happy with it. Hope this helps you.